Okay, for 113, they show a graph of somebody saving money. And A says, according to the graph, how much money had Stephen saved after 2 weeks of school? So we just need to look. Here's 2, right? So here's the point for 2 right there, right? In the middle there. So clearly, after 2 weeks, it looks like he has about $40, right? About $40. It's hard to tell exactly, but it looks like it's right on the 40. So now it says about how much did he have after 4 weeks of school, but there is no point at 40. So let's clear this. So we need to try our best to draw a trend line. This is really hard for me because with a stylus it's really hard, but I'll do my best, right? So now the question says after 4 weeks of school. So after 4 weeks of school, we're looking right here. 4 weeks, it's right there, right? So I would estimate, looking on there, 4 weeks, that's 50, that's 60. It looks like it's around in the middle, so I'd say it's around $55, right? And it says, how can you tell? And I drew a trend line, and I looked on the graph where the trend line intersected the 4 on the x-axis. So then C says, if he keeps saving at the same rate, how much will he have saved by week 7? So week 7, if I look, again, on this same trend line that I drew, it's the point right there. And it looks like, again, on my trend line, that it's about $80, but my line isn't very straight. If I look at the answer that the book comes up with, I see they see 75, but I'm guessing that if I drew this with a ruler, that it would come out to around 75. But again, it's the placement of your trend line. I would say anywhere between 70 and 85 would be a pretty good estimate from the trend line.